Signs it may be time to replace your air conditioner. Not sure if it's time to replace your air conditioner before the warm weather arrives? Here are common red flags to watch for. Lack of cool air. If you turn on the unit and the air doesn't come out cold within a few minutes, it's most likely wearing out. Buildup of moisture. If there is moisture or leakage around the air conditioner, you may have a refrigerant spill that could lead to a system failure. Strange sounds. Strange sounds such as grinding, squeaking, or chattering should be interpreted as a sign of aging. Foul smells. Strange smells typically signal a serious problem with your AC. Do you think you might need a new air conditioner or require AC repair? Call Lambie Heating and Air Conditioning at 309-216-6619 today for the best AC services in Peoria, Illinois.